Here is the GoPro Hero 4K, the 2020 or 2024 model, the tiny GoPro. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. Basically, if you want a clean slate or maybe you want to sell it. Okay, so very simple here. So what you want to do is first just go ahead and turn it on, and then just slide from the top, slide down. And now from here, we're going to look for preferences, okay? So you can swipe to the left or you can swipe to the right, swipe to the right. And I see preferences right there for me. Let me go and tap on preferences. From here, we're going to go to reset. You can scroll all the way down to the very bottom. It says reset right there. Tap on reset. And now we can go ahead and scroll down. And at the bottom here, it says factory reset. Let's tap on factory reset. Resets your settings, clears your connections, and removes the camera from your GoPro Cloud account. So if you want to proceed, you tap on reset. So we're going to tap on reset right there. Let it go ahead and let it do its thing. It's going to go ahead and restart. Okay, it just turned back on. And voila, that literally took like a whole 30 seconds. But there we go.